Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar-yen pair saw a minor rise of 0.2% in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an overbought market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair gained 2% in the last session after rising as much as 4.8% during the session. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The gold-dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.2%. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The oil dropped 0.3% against the dollar in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Crude oil prices edged lower, consolidating after recent strong gains as traders consider the possibility of additional supply hitting the market next week. The Australian and New Zealand dollars fell amid further weakness in iron ore prices as China tightens its oversight of the market and targets speculative trading and steel production. Coinbase is still tied to the fortunes of Bitcoin, even if users continue to conduct transactions regardless of whether the prices of cryptos go up or down.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Japan's Jibun Bank Manufacturing PMI will be released at 0:30 GMT, the French Market Services PMI at 7:15 GMT, the UK's Market Services PMI at 8:30 GMT. The US Market Manufacturing PMI will be released at 13:45 GMT, the French Market Manufacturing PMI at 7:15 GMT, the UK's Market Manufacturing PMI at 8:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.